Okay, welcome back, educators. Quickly on this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a database file for your staff, parents, or clients. If you're a business owner, you may want to create a database for your customers, prospective clients. Then as a school owner, it's good you should have a database of all your staff. So quickly, let's title it. I'm going to call it staff database. Then we describe it. Okay, a database for staff of Little Jewel Schools, Plateau State. Okay, I'll describe the form. So our question here now, the first thing you're going to have is to collect their email address. Now you can see the suggestion, the enable email collecting system. Click on it. Good. So the form will automatically collect all email addresses. The next thing you look at is the name, first name, and the surname, and make it to be a short answer. And click required. Make sure you always put it to be required, otherwise. Then you click again. I think the next thing is their phone number. Always change it from multiple choice to short answer and click required. You click plus again. The next one is home address. Click paragraph. So meaning that the home address may be longer than expected. So you cannot use a short answer. You have to give them a paragraph so that if the address is up to 2 lines or 3 lines, it will contain it. You click required. You click. Okay, what do we have here? We have their email. We have the first name and surname, the phone number, the home address. And what else do we require again? I think that's majorly what we need. The address is very important. The phone number, the first name, and the email address. So quickly, now you click on responses. There's no yet response. You only get a response once you share the link to your form, to your platform where you have, maybe you have a WhatsApp platform for all your staff in the school. So you could just send the form to the platform, ask them to fill it up. Once they fill it up, from the responses, you could create a spreadsheet out of it. So now this one, I don't have any response yet, but I can still create a database out of this information here. These are the most important information you would need from your staff: their email address, their name, their phone numbers, their address. After doing that, you click on these responses, then you click on this spreadsheet icon. This green background with a white, like a cross on it, is a symbol for spreadsheets. And in my previous videos, I told you that spreadsheet is one of the Google Tools masterclass. It's one of the tools we are going to be treating in this masterclass. So you click on this. Still booting, trying to connect. So you could add more than this if you have anything you want to know, any other information you may want to extract from your staff. You could add more than what I have here. For now, I think these are the most, if not the major information you should have about your staff. Okay, so you click on this. Now it's giving you an option to create a new spreadsheet. Now the second option is saying select existing spreadsheet, meaning that you would have created a spreadsheet in your Google Sheets. So you can click on it and then it goes to the existing spreadsheets. But if you want a new spreadsheet, you just click create. You see it's linked now, so you open it. So now let's see which account do I want to use. Let me use Auto Fatima this time around. So here is it. Great. So here is the spreadsheet now. I have the email address, first name and surname, the phone number, and the home address. So if at all I have like 20 responses who have already attempted the form, who have already answered the forms, maybe I've already shared the link and they've attempted to answer the questions, then their names would have appeared here just as we saw in my previous videos. So this is how to create a spreadsheet. So you may decide to give it a unique color just like we did in the previous video. You decide to choose this color, first name and surname. Always click the paint icon. Which color? Let's say this one. And then phone number, and the home address. Click on the paint icon and let's give it. Okay. So this home address, the space here may be too small, so you can always increase it. So that it can contain the addresses. Okay, so this is just a simple way, a very brief way of creating a database for your customers, your clients, your staff, your learners. It could be for your learner. If it's the learners, you may not need their email address, but you need the name, the surname, the occupation of the parents, the home address, and the admission number. Just click on the icon, create your spreadsheet, and if they've already filled the form, you have all their names numbered out here on this spreadsheet, and you could always save and share. If you click on this three icon, you could share and export, you could print out, you could create you could create individual files and send to maybe your mail or the mail of your clients if they need a copy, or you could copy the link, post it on the Google, on your platform, WhatsApp platform, so that each learner can have, or each each participant or each member can have a copy. So that is it. Thank you so much. If there's anything else you are not yet clear about, please, you could send me a message on the Google Tools Classroom, on the Google Classroom, and I'll attend to it. Please, let's try to make use of that classroom very well. That's why it was created. Let's get to know how to navigate around it. If there's anything you don't understand, you can reach out to Mr. Chima, or you can reach out to me and we'll attend to you. Thank you.